I know you know that didn't like me much. What's up, guys? Good to see you again. Good to see you again. This is a trading assembly. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Yeah. And it's just like you're gonna kiss me and so tell me you like the shrimp. Sibo, good to see ya. I believe what I'm meant to be. I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes. Yeah, always make the same mistakes. Cause I'm bad in love. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I'd be lying, saying, Curious, good to see ya. Good to have you all. Currently, I'm looking at Brent oil, and you can clearly see this is a bullish market by just looking at market structure, and it is really strong enough. We are seeing very many bullish candles compared to sellers candles, meaning buyers are really strong. So let's see if we can really jump onto that trend or get a pullback move. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes. Yeah, always make the same mistakes. Cause I'm not in love. You can't blame me for trying. You know I'd be lying, saying that could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad at love. Oh, you know, I'm bad at love. I'm bad at love. I know that you're afraid. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel the face. It's time to feel the face. I know that you're afraid. I'm gonna walk away. It's time to feel the face. You know I'm bad at love. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I'd be lying, saying you're the one. Nothing's gonna fix me. Looking at my history. Raphael, David, Silverton, Alex, Rosario, good to have you all traders in the building. Tell me, how has your day been? Have you looked at your charts today? This is a trading assembly. We are looking at Brent oil OTC chart. Currently, we are in a bullish market. Just it is by looking at market structure, it is showing a strong bullish market. And whenever you're in a bullish market, you have two options to either take buy entries or to take bearish pullback moves. Really good to see ya. This is a continuation move. These are continuation entries. You can see, as you know, it's a bullish market. So why not? Why not? Someone tell me, how has your day been? How has your day been? Do you have any traders that have looked at their charts today? Mm. Tibara from Budapest, good to see ya. Wait, my buys are taken out. Okay. Let us Raphael, these are pullback entries. Let me hope you get the reason why I'm taking these pullbacks. You are the only trader who loves trading pullbacks or who is comfortable with trading pullbacks. So, but whenever I'm taking pullback entries in a bullish market, of course, the first sign I look out for before I take such a move, it is to first know if the market has broke structure. And if the market has just broke structure, the next thing I have to look out for it is looking for a bearish confirmation. It's not always that the market it breaks structure, it immediately gives you a pullback. Obviously, the market can break structure and still continue with its trend. You have to wait for a bearish confirmation for a bullish market or for bullish confirmation for a bearish market. That is a rule. That is a rule about pullbacks. Hey. Guys, when I fall in love, this will be the songs I'll be playing. But for now, we are locked in. For now, we are locked in. Next show, good to see ya. 11, how are you doing? Tell me how is your day moving? Have you looked at your chart today? Where have you been? 'Body to body, skin to skin. David, thank you. Suresh is seeing that because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Let us focus on learning. Yeah, let us focus on learning. So feel free to ask any trading question. Oh my, oh my. Nobody knows it like 11, you've been on these charts. I mean, by the way, guys, I really get so happy when you share with me such experience. I love it when you're sharing me that you looked at your charts. You're sharing with me that you really looked in on a day. I love it when you tell me you're learning something about trading, because honestly, that is the purpose of this trading assembly. It is about us growing. It's about us taking trading serious, because the more we lock in, you all know we are locked in for life. So the better you're showing up consistently. I know I'm not doing this alone. I know I'm not doing this alone. I'm locked in with some traders out there. So that's the best thing. Raphael is saying he feels bad when he's taking when he's taking pullback entries. They feel wrong. They should never feel wrong. Honestly, if you look at the charts, you do your analysis and you get an entry and you execute, whatever comes out of it, it is not your business. The key is you should always just have a reason why you're executing your entry. Yeah, that is the whole point that we should know about trading. It is knowing that, of course, yes, very many traders prefer taking continuation moves. But if you can see pullback entries, I don't see any problem with that. As long as you know you have done your analysis and everything ticks your confluences. Go ahead and execute. What happens after execution? It's none of your business as a trader. Your business is finding the entry. Don't his sad songs anymore. You know, one thing I noticed about trading, when you're starting out, most traders believe, okay, this is also the mentality I have, so don't feel like I'm coming for anyone. It was also my mentality at one point. You'll be thinking that actually capital is the problem. But as a trader, what you should really first focus on before you think of what account size you should be starting with, what matters most is to know what you're doing, and to also to know what you're doing, and also you focus on market discipline. Because believe me, even if you are given a 10K account to manage it or to trade it, if you have no market discipline, and if you have no risk management, and also you have no strategy, believe me, it will not make any difference for you. So whenever you're thinking about trading, those are the things that you should really consider most: risk management, market discipline, your strategy. Then any you would realize you can thrive on any account size regardless of it. Too small, too big, too where, any size you can handle it, as long as you know those, you master those things. Risk management. Yeah. So all traders that are asking me about that, your worry shouldn't be capital or account size. It should be more, you should be more relying on your strategy, your risk management, and all that. I'm in love. Isabel, good to see you. Looking beautiful today. Hey, thank you. Thank you, my dear. Honestly, I love such compliments. I'm just a girl at the end of the day. Cat lover, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Bernadette, good to have you. Good to have you all traders in the building. I am trading with price action strategy, so all my executions are based on that. I use both price action and the indicator just to get more confirmation on which way to be anticipating the markets, where it's most likely to head. But the first thing I really start with whenever I'm doing market analysis and I'm analyzing the chart, it is to first understand which market condition I am really dealing with. We love to hear from, of course, of course, of course. So currently, just by looking at market structure, we can tell we are in a bearish market. Yeah, the market condition now, it's bearish. You know it's a bearish market when you see the market is continuously taking out the lows and maintaining the highs. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Traders, you're here to learn. Till I met this girl called Brenda. Oh my God, let me feel it coming. Oh, Brenda, love you from a mile away. Got me feeling cool like a Jenny Halloween. Kelly, I keep make you run the command. Find your way, Kelly, one piggy like in the that's what I like and in a river. Follow me, find your lawyer, Ibadi Joe. Kelly, one piggy like in the that's what I like and in a river. Follow me, go. Oh my god. Anyways, let me first take these continuation moves. Like I told you, we're in a bearish market, and if you're in a bearish market, the easiest way you can trade is by following the trend. So let us see how these sales are closing. I first laugh at Curious very well. Curious says, I believe today the market has wiped me like its child. Honestly, it is not funny. It's not funny. Sorry about that. But the way you have stated the way you have stated it, it is what is really making me laugh. You saying it wiped you like it's child. I told you guys the market has no feelings. That's the truth. So tell me what really happened. Because whenever you really take losses, you have to sit down and also analyze what could have led you to taking serious losses from the market. What really happened? Were you impatient? Were you over risking? Tell me, curious. All right, someone is hoping curious answer. 11 is saying emotions took over, as they always do. That is true, by the way. If there is a way you can really get to see, and you know the funny thing about trading, the time when the emotions have taken over, sometimes you don't get to notice. You get to notice when you are done blowing your account, or when the market has really taken a big percentage of your account. That's when you get to know that actually most of the time it was you acting emotionally. But honestly, most of those crazy trading losses, they are from emotions and discipline. Believe me, when it comes to a strategy, it is easier to get it, but to really get to a point where you can control your emotions and you separate yourself from the market and you know that you're just a player. I don't know how I can really put it, but you have to find a way. And the easiest way you can really get over trading emotions is to know that you should have a probabilistic mindset that anything can happen in the market, and you also put some strict rules to your trading on how to react when you have really taken some crazy losses. I mean, you could put a serious rule that if this percentage has gone in a single trading day, I have to just take a break and come back the next day. Because believe me, if you take some losses and you stay away from the charts, it's different from it is going to save your account more compared to staying on the charts and trying to force entries. You should really be putting some serious market discipline to your trading, because most of the trading losses, honestly, especially crazy losses, I'm not talking about you taking a few losses from the charts. I'm talking about those crazy losses. They don't come from your strategy, they usually come from our emotions. Binary options always keeps my heart racing. All those things be happening, especially if you are a beginner. That's one thing I can say. Yeah, it is very normal. Jerome, good to see ya. Risk management is key. I agree with you, Rosario. Risk management is really important. Risk management is really key in trading because it is what is going to keep you and your capital alive in the markets. Structure is still bearish, guys. You can clearly see series of lower highs and lower lows happening on the markets. And it is very important when you're looking at market structure to know the valid market structure. You have to know that strong high that was able to push the market down and take out the low. Yes, for market structure. Not every high was strong enough to make a difference. You have to see those highs that really made a difference. And that break of structure, it has to be seen with a candle closure. After seeing that, you have to know that after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. So currently, I am waiting for a pullback because the market just broke structure. Pullbacks don't happen immediately, guys. That is key to note when you're trading to avoid being trapped. You have to know pullbacks don't happen immediately. You wait for the market to give you a confirmation. So here, I want to see a bullish candlestick pattern confirming bullish momentum. And if I don't see it, I'm going to still take the sales because why not? Until I get a valid reason not to. Does entering that a trend change market direction? No, 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 no. It really takes a lot for really the market change direction, and I don't believe a single trader can really influence so much and lead to the market changing its direction. It needs a lot of force. Just celebrating life. Some days you feel so good. Guys, even when you enter a trade and the trade goes against you, for example, I place buys now and the market switches up on me and it switches to a bullish market. I honestly don't believe just the few trades a single trader has taken are the reason why the market really changed. It needs a lot of force for the market to change direction. Something I don't believe a single trader with their single entries can do. Oh my god. Okay, my sales were taken out by buyers. Let us trade again. Let us buy this pullback. Link is in the description for the broker. Some girls wear this so tight because it feels so right in. Every day. You know, some days you. This pullback was long overdue. That's why it is really so crazy here. It got a little bit deeper because of that. Most girls are smart and strong and beautiful. Most girls And we all know if the market gets into a pullback, for example, you have been in a bearish market, we want to see it taking out the most recent high for us to shift our bias from a bearish market to a bullish market. If you don't see that, you still continue to assume it's a bearish market. And that's how you really keep on switching your mindset, guys. Whenever you're trading, you have to be continuously analyzing the market, not in a single move, continuously looking at the candles and really understanding. And to help you understand, you should have questions like, what is the market doing? Which market condition am I in? Is market structure really confirming that for me to take such entries? So if you can be able to ask those questions while you're trading, that is the market analysis that it is needed for you to find entries.
Shorty a little body, shorty my little old thing, and shorty got the shiny.
Shorty because you mood swing.
Every time I fuck with her,
Hey, my little mama nasty.
and I kicked it on the club.
Poto, good to see ya. Cat lover, good to have you.
She call me daddy.
Raphael, are you unstoppable? I mean, I'm unstoppable once you find me locked in. You guys are so funny. Obviously, if you find me locked in, you can't lock me out. That's it.
I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need. You should know to Celine, it's straight to the side.
You can't get me locked out if you find me already locked in. Let me hope you get what I'm trying to mean.
Shorty to get your mood swing. Every time I fuck with her rapper, I nutted on the covers, and I kicked it on the covers.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Honestly, I feel a Bobby out of game. And there's something in your mind to tell me. And if I told you it was so mine, you have me. You won't see the big picture, it's just gonna take time. Just because you're mine, I'ma keep you looking like a dime. You know, imperfections make you fine. Baby, what's your sign? I've been against the slow line. It's me and you. Keep it solid, ain't nothing we can do. To the store, baby, we can make it do. Why you working brand new?
Oh my god, you guys are crazy.
She said she a virgin. She my biggest fan, she always lurking. She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. I know she can't stand me, fancy. So I'ma bring her out when I get my panties. Late night sex, she can find panties.
Great, good to see ya.
See my little pool thing.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, trader. Yeah, let's see if we can get any moves already. Tell me, do you have any traders? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts today? How was it? Tell me. How was it? Share your trading experience. We are always here to catch up as traders as we are learning. You see me if you work, 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 work,
work, work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. When you walk a la, 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 la.
You checked your charts a little bit but didn't trade. I mean, actually, I'm going to be honest with you. When I was still building consistency, especially sometimes when you're not really yet profitable, honestly, trading can feel difficult. But if you can still wake up, look at your charts, even if you really don't execute, as long as you try to look for one thing on the chart that is in line with your strategy, believe me, you have done something. You're better off than a trader that didn't even look at didn't bother to check their charts at all. So anything you do, as long as you're looking at your charts, it just helps you sometimes not to really completely forget your trading edge, your strategy, and all that, and also forgetting your edge. Yeah.
Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold you best against you?
I just hope that it.
Get to you. I hope that you see this too. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I say, why. It's me, I say, why. You see me do my da. So me better, why. When you are la. When the cat from my cha. Yeah, okay, you need to
Get down.
work, come on. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long as things I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through.
If you want to,
I'll still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah.
I spit all my emotions, not I'm sorry.
Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
Are you a full-time trader? Guys, I'm fully locked in. I've been a full-time trader from the time I discovered trading. That is 2022 till date. Till date, I've been a full-time trader and I look forward to staying like that. As long as the markets are still running, I'm gonna be here for life. All right, I'm seeing Poto, you're saying you turn this to this in minutes. It's all on demo. Honestly, I've never seen any trader that is not successful on demo. Most of the time, it is easier to really show results on demo because why it is possible, because whenever we are trading on demo accounts, I feel like personally I've not been really a demo trader. I've never been a demo trader, but I know it is because there is no feelings attached when you're trading demo accounts. That's why I really encourage and advise all traders, if you really look forward to getting more disciplined and all that, you can only build discipline. Okay. Yeah, you can build discipline better on a real account compared to a demo, because most of trading problems, they come with dealing with our emotions and all that, and I don't feel like if you are on a demo account, you can really have emotions at all, and those emotions, the real account is different. So I feel like it is best if you're really practicing, try to practice on a real account, maybe with little capital, for you to first build that trading discipline. But anyways, all that is from my own experience. Personally, I didn't really trade demo accounts. I started on a real account, and my first trade I ever made in my trading life, it was profitable. It was on GBP USD. It was profitable, and I believe that the next like about 3 weeks, I was really seeing results until greed kicked in. When greed entered the chart, honestly, my trading discipline started changing completely. And when your discipline goes, of course, the next thing is the next thing you're going to face is losses. Silva, good to see ya. Daniel, good to have you. Cameron Love, good to see ya. Anderson, good to see ya. Barbara Anderson, good to have you, my dear. We are moving steadily. We're moving steadily. Cause the way you put it on made me wanna take it off. You got me so amazing. Oh, I don't wanna wait. No, nah. I don't wanna wait. Be all day for the champagne. The way I'm creeping up, you know how to keep. Estella, good to see you. This is a trading assembly. Traders, ask any trading question. Ask any trading question. We are here to lock in for life. I had a beautiful day. Oh my god. Actually, whenever I start talking about how my day has been moving and I think about the things I've been doing, I just realized I've really done a lot. Yeah, so I had a beautiful, fulfilling day. And it's still moving. Because why not? Because why not? Yeah, all traders that be asking me, how can I become? Okay, you be asking, how can I become like you? But I feel like it should be, how should I become a better trader? And to become a better trader, not just like becoming exactly me, just becoming a better trader, the easiest way you can really do that is first of all just making a decision, because I realized at first when I was starting out to trade, maybe I was hoping maybe one day I'm going to wake up and I'm not a trader. So I just woke up one day and I decided that I'm going to be a full, like trading is that it's what I really want to focus on. So that is the first thing I did, was to shift my mindset to know that I want to be a trader fully. Then the other thing I really looked at was to know that I want to be a better trader. I'm speaking this now from that point that at first I had really started trading, but I hadn't really decided yet. And I believe that what I was trading was not more of a serious trader. When I decided to focus on becoming a serious trader, I knew that I first had to decide that I'm going to be a trader for life. Then the other thing I decided on was to really get some discipline, because most of my losses at that time, they were all coming from marketing discipline. I mean, not caring about your capital that you deposit and you want to flip it immediately. You want to really grow a very tiny account in a single day. All those things I had to put them away, and I focused on just building discipline. And when I started like that, actually, it wasn't about more about making the money then. It was more about really this time I wanted it to work out. And the other thing that really pushed me so hard, I told you guys, most of the people I started trading with were already showing results. And honestly, it felt like a blow to me, to my life, because I knew I was just playing, and I knew at that rate at some of those traders I was better than them. Maybe I was just playing. So to become a better trader, you have to just decide and you put the rules that you want to follow, because if you choose to be a serious trader, believe me, you become one. It's all about locking in. And that's what I mean. Mm-mm. I'm using all the indicators with the default settings, guys. Can't stop, won't stop moving. I got this music in my mind, singing this gonna be alright. Play, 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 play. Let's see how these buys are going. Alright. Yeah. Whenever you're trading, I'm going to keep on reminding you guys, because this is one thing that you have to know, especially if you are on your execution time frame. Please be sure to map out the most recent highs and the most recent lows. If you can really know those points, most of the times the market is either moving to take out a high or a low. So if you know those highs and the lows, the most recent one, they are going to direct your trading. Of course, you already know the market. I'm in a bullish market, and you already know the structure is confirming this. The next step is to knowing the most recent high and the most recent low whenever you're trading. Buyers didn't have to play me like this. Oh my god. Whenever I'm really looking for an entry, those are the two main points I really look at any time. I first confirm where is the high, where is the low, because those 2 points are going to direct you if I want to take a pullback move, if I'm getting back into a continuation. It is really important. And also knowing the candle, looking at the candlesticks that are printed on the charts, and you try to understand them. Like, if I'm in a bullish market, I want to see more. If buyers are really printing candles on the chart, I want to see them big enough to justify their momentum in the market. I would want to see that. If I'm looking forward to taking a pullback, I want to see serious. Now, for example, we are in a bullish market. I will want to see serious big selling candles on the charts that are confirming momentum. We all know the bigger the body and the tinier the wicks, that is a sign of momentum, either from sellers or buyers, depending on the candle you're looking at and the zone you're looking at it. All those points are really important if you're really making entry decisions. Because why not? Anyways, they are really important. They are really so important if you're really making entry decisions. You have to be seeing those things. They are going to help you to avoid to take entries where they are not. You could be seeing it as an entry opportunity, but until the market takes out, that's when you notice that actually it was wrong. So you have to be avoiding those moves by knowing the most valid point you should be looking at if you really look forward to taking an execution in the market. So that's what I be always looking at. Always I'm understanding the candlesticks. I'm understanding where is the most recent high and the lows in the market. So let us first lock in these sales. No, guys, someone is asking, what if a candle indicates the pullback is over when it is not yet over? I feel like this question is coming from an angle of perfection or wanting to know what comes after. Honestly, if I'm in a bullish market, If I'm in a bullish market, the market gives me a pullback, and that pullback, I will know it has come to an end when the market does not take out the most recent low in the bullish market, but it gives me, let me say, a bearish candlestick pattern with followed by gives me a bullish candlestick pattern followed by serious buying candles. I am going to buy. That it missing that, it doesn't really necessarily mean that the pullback would have come to an end. But if the market has printed that and I was looking at that zone, I am going to buy. Whatever comes after the buy I've placed, it is not my business. As traders, you have to know that and you should make peace with that. Whatever comes after when you have done executing an entry shouldn't be your business. Because if you want it to be your business, then trading is not for you. It is about taking the risk, and those are the risks you have to be taking from the market. You're trying to push the market to know what is going to happen next. That means you're not taking the risk. You're going with certainty, and when it comes to trading, you can never have 100% certainty that the market is going to head into the direction you have really placed your entry, because it doesn't happen like that. That's why trading is risky. You have to know that and make peace with that.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Dre face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking, trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I don't need five with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, you just... Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using.
Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I don't need five with a pay.
I don't know. Oh my God, I don't know. Someone comment ready, because in a few we are gonna get into the donation. All right, someone is really making me happy here. Guys, the other thing I really have to tell you when it comes to trading, because these are the things honestly I would also be asking myself over and over again. So I have to be sharing with you just for the sake of setting you free, especially when it comes to trading. As a beginner, I know sometimes we have those crazy things, and the most problem sometimes beginners we face, because I'm not a beginner anymore. It is you want to seek a certain level of perfection from the charts. That's why you're going to find yourself most of the time looking for strategies, switching between this strategy and this strategy and this strategy. But one thing you should know, trading shouldn't be so hard. You shouldn't focus on really looking for that most complicated strategy. Actually, that's more simple. The more you keep it simple, the better you're going to see results. That's one thing I can really tell you. If you see a break of, for example, we are going to have this simplest. Take it like this. I'm trading price action. I want to come on the charts, first understand which market I'm in. bullish. That is one thing. Next thing I have to see is structure confirming a bullish market. For bullish, valid structure in a bullish market is seeing series of higher highs and higher lows. So you have two options: to take continuations or pullbacks. You're going to take a pullback move when the market has just broke structure. It gives you a bearish confirmation. Execute. What happens after that, it's not your business. That is how trading, we should keep it that simple. As long as you have risk management in order, then you are good to go. All right, guys, let us first secure our profits for tonight. Let us secure our profits, then we get into the donations right away. Guys, wish luck to all our participants for tonight. Wish luck to all our participants for tonight. How do you trust all? Guys, I just follow the confluences. I do not have to really. Don't seek so much perfection in the markets. Just don't seek actually for certainty. Just seek to understand the confluences you're trading with, what makes them so valid, and you go with that. Because if you're going to really seek a lot of certainty that you want to know exactly that every trade you're going to trade to execute is going to go in your direction, then trading isn't for you guys. When it comes to trading, it is about taking the risk. And taking the risk is knowing that you're going to take the buys or the sells, but it's not that it is guaranteed it's going to really end up locking into a plus entry. Everything could actually be so right about your strategy and everything, and still the market goes against you, because these markets you are dealing with every day, they are moving in a unique way, so any moment can be different. That's all I can share. Now I'm fully locked in to get the first entry, because why not? This is a pullback move, guys. You can see the market had just broke structure and gave us some bullish reason to take these buys. I'm an Aston Martin, and shooting straight into the ditch, then ran and hit. One thing, honey. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to William. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Whether I'm gonna be yours, haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna get you back. Haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna get you back. I'm using all the indicators with the default settings. Give your poison away. I'm poison anyway. Whether I'm gonna be your wife or gonna smash up your bike, this is a trading assembly. We are here to learn. All you have to do is to ask any trading question. We are moving on to our next participant page. I'm gonna get you back. You're welcome, my dear William. You're welcome. Oh my god. What are sellers trying to do here? Oh my lord. Damn. This really went crazy against me. Alright, guys, let us refund and try again. You know, when I take an L on a first attempt, I refund. So let us do that. That's crazy.
Like a short skirt, the one that fits me like skin.
Guys, if you want to be added on the list, it is simple. There is a donation link down in the description. You can use that and you'll surely be put on the list.
Standing at the bar like something's funny, bubbly. Once you fix your face, I'm going in. Whether I'm gonna be your wife or gonna smash up your bike, I
decided yet, but I'm gonna get you back.
whether I'm gonna curse you out or take you back to my house, I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna get you back.
We are getting on this continuation. And sellers have not really disappointed us here. Let me see, type congratulations, guys. Just one attempt was needed and we have locked it in. Yeah, I need you guys to type congratulations with locked in. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see, type congratulations to Paige. I'm gonna be your wife. Haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna get you back. Say it's good to see ya. You guys can be so interesting sometimes. My strategy is simple. It is price action. So let us look into attempts for Barbara. I'm poison anyway.
Whether I'm gonna be your wife or gonna smash up your bike, I haven't decided yet.
But I'm gonna get you back.
Whether I'm gonna curse you out or take you back to my house, I haven't decided yet. But I'm gonna get you back. You whispers in your eyes will make you think twice. You'll find that you will never not mine. I'm gonna get you back.
Our first attempt is in. Let us see how it is looking. I really love what I'm seeing. Two candles already closed above our entry, and it's a plus. Whenever I see two candles closing above or below my entry in my direction, I be anticipating something good. Run away, cause you're running in circles. Run away, run away. In with our second attempt, let us see if buyers push this up. Alright, I'm really loving this. Let me see, type congratulations to Barbara. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Season change and the love and cold. Run away, cause you're running in a circle. Guys, you cannot trade with me. You can only focus on learning. So feel free to ask any trading question. Why you can't trade with me? It is because of the YouTube time lag. It will be affecting you. Please focus on learning and ask any trading question. All right, we go to our next participant, Nick B. 3 attempts. Let's see how it goes. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in. Just 3 attempts to go. Let's see how it goes. Stomach, yeah, stomach. Wanna know how, wanna know. If your chick come close to me, she ain't gonna know who she's supposed to be. Getting money like a boss to pay. I'm getting money like a boss to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me. And I'm a money nigga when it boss to pay. Oh, the house got to me. And the chicks in the pit. Alright, guys, we're in with our first attempt. Everything good like a boss to pay. Got your girl in my section, finna go up. My nigga smoking loud, I'm about to roll up. She ain't never got high like this, with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her, hold up. And it is in a plus. Estella, you're welcome, my dear. You're welcome, my dear. Guys, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. And if you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. This is a bearish market. Yeah, bearish markets. So let us watch out and see if you can get a continuation or a pullback. The goal is to just continuously be analyzing the market and know when to take a pullback and when to take a continuation. Always. Yeah, we are getting a second attempt. Let us watch out. It's a bearish market. Just two attempts to go for our participant. Guys, you wish Nick B luck. It's taking me there. Let's do it again. Something. I just wanna feel your body on me. This is a pullback move, guys. And I'm already loving what I'm looking at. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I already said you these entries where I execute and immediately runs in the anticipated direction are my best. If all entries could end up like that, we'd have more traders. If all entries would be ending up like that, we'd be having more traders in this game. But it's not always like that, unfortunately. It's taking me there. Let's do it again. It could be all the something. Okay, this is a pullback move again. You can see structure just being taken out. Oh my god. This is really playing here. What? Really, the market played me here. Damn. Oh my god. I'm sorry about that, guys. Nick B, I'm sorry about that. Our last attempt has been taken out. Yeah, next time better. You kept guys, honestly, to be honest, Sometimes the market plays us because all moments in the markets are unique. Losses are part of this game. But next time better, next time better. And anyway, we all know trading is all about taking the risk. No risk, no reward. That is it. No risk, no reward. We gotta keep on moving. Okay, this attempt is in our direction, locked in. The indicator you're seeing, it's Scout in our channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. I put on my jewelry just to go to the Bottega. We are waiting for 2 attempts for Ruminex. Let us see if we can get them. I'll try again next time. All right. We all know trading is all about taking the risk. No risk, no rewards. No risk, no Ferrari. So honestly, you cannot call yourself a trader if you're not willing to take on the risk. You should have the mindset of all traders, and it's all about taking the risk. Jewelry just to go out by the pool, and I keep it with me, keep somebody at the fool. Gucci on my coochie, I'ma make these niggas drool. Higher than the moon, but I'm in tune, so don't run up. Cause if you run up, I guarantee you ain't gon' leave till get done up. Some little Chinese bang with the bun up. I get a crown, little bitch, you just a runner. I put on my jewelry just to go to the Bodega. I'ma keep a woman just so I can feel safer. Candy on my body, but my feet is the Bottega. Just one attempt to go, so let us lock in. Hey yo, Bia, I just been the block. Well, these bitches wanna be ya. Only cause my waist on money long yeah. Well, I ain't talking cars, going here, don't care. And a twin seater. Okay, final attempt is locked in. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to Luminex. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do the. It's a whole lot of money. Can I send another donation now? Guys, of course, I'm still here. You can always send a donation. Yeah, there's a link down in the description. You can use that. We are still locked in, guys. We are still here. We are still locked in. Oh my God, I love this song, guys. I beg. It's a whole lot of money in this month. I ain't need no Now. All right, Nick B is asking, can I send another donation? Of course you can. Of course you can, because I'm still here. I'm still locked in. The night is still moving, so you can do that. Thanks, Ivy, for today. I still believe in your strategy. I mean, thank you. You're welcome, my dear. One thing I know about price action, it is a strategy that is timeless. As long as I believe, as long as the markets are still running, price action is still valid. Because I mean, the market will still remain bullish, bearish, or sideways, and structure will still be appearing on the charts because that's how it's been. As long as you're looking at a candlestick chart, you can always lock in a move. All right, let's see if we can get any. This is a continuation entry. Structure is bearish. Market tried to pull back, didn't give us some serious moves, and bears showed us momentum. So I had to take on this entry here, and it just ran into my direction.
And you know it, look at how she throw it. Figured in the day, baby girl gon' have to tow it. Sitting on the memes like Floyd, but she lied to you if she said I paid for it. Nigga, 99 broads, 99 broads. Panoramic view from the 99th floor. I'm like, my lord, when she down on all fours, got a hood bitch with me, she ain't scared to take a charge. Lying buying a car, you don't know what you saw. She adjusting the bras and lighting up a cigar. It was riding me y'all, now why you ride like a star. I just sit back and landed the irony of it all. Let her go, watch her get her go, let her go, for that chemical. You like, damn boy, why you cooking that hard? The whole thing smashed and you ain't even know it, guys.
Let me see type congratulations to Cross. We have hit our targets. Now, guys, let me see type congratulations to our participants. Now, there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using and its pocket options. Travis, you can use the donation link down in the description and you will surely join the participants you see on the screen. To keep you close, I was afraid to leave you on your own. And if you love, then fucking more. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. Put you out there, in the sky. Does it ever get lonely? Thinking you could leave without me. Travis, you can use the donation link down in the description. It's going to take you to the donation page where you find all details. And guys, wish our next participant luck. Just one attempt. Oh my god. Buyers have really gone against me here. Oh my god. Damn. Let us refund and try again. You know, when I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let's do that. Things so high, but you far away to hold me. Reminds me when I first started watching your stream. I know this was part of the playlist. It's been a while since I played it. Put you out there. We need to lock in one attempt, so let us watch and see if we can get it. So tell me, how's it feel? Oh, this buying momentum really is onto something. I was anticipating more sellers in this zone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry about that. Honestly, there's some bullish moment manipulation there. And these are the entries I hate when the market takes me out and it heads in my direction. Oh my god.
We can leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place. We make the rules. And there's a dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you too. Haven't known you 20 seconds.
And really, sellers are giving us that crazy ride I was anticipating. Lover. Travis, you use the donation link down in the description. It will take you to the donation page for details.
This is our place. We made the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want them all. Can I go?
Where you go, can we always be this close? Sellers are really still big. It's some smooth ride. some smooth ride here. Gentlemen, may we please stand? I take this moment and forth a man to be my lover. Try to be over dramatic and true to my lover. On every table. Okay. We could let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place. We made the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want them all. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close? Forever and ever and ever. Take me out. You're my lover. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? With every guitar string scar on my head, I take this magnetic force of a man to be my lover. My heart's been borrowed and yours has been blue. All swollen ends hope to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to my lover. And you say all your days If you say so. If you say so.
You shot it high.